Stefan. It's Monday, August 25th. This morning I weighed 174.6 pounds, and I have no idea why my weight is going up. I'm out here chilling with the horses today. I thought about trying to see how close I could get to them, but I'm kind of afraid of getting stampeded. So I have a few questions. First, a number of the viewers, or noodles, have expressed discontent with being referred to as noodles. Now, this is something that we inherited from Mike and Katrina, and so I'm interested to find out how people actually think about this. If the majority of you don't like being called noodles, then it's kind of silly to refer to you as noodles, I think. And Steph and I agree with just making the minimum time 2 minutes and 15 seconds for each video. It's really windy. You like that sound? But I'm wondering, does that make your first video punishable? Or should we just overlook that and keep going? So Stefan's video was kind of late last Thursday, by like 4 hours. After reviewing all the punishment suggestions, I settled on one suggested by Music Junkie. Your punishment is to vlog while wearing a drawn-on mustache. Part of the suggestion was also to vlog while in public wearing said drawn-on mustache. So I'm gonna give you a choice. You can either vlog in private with your drawn-on mustache, or you can vlog in public with your drawn-on mustache. If you do it in public, however, we will overlook the fact that your first video was less than 2 minutes and 15 seconds long. Is everybody in agreement? Good. The topic of this week's discussion is current events as suggested by Crazian347. And there are kind of a lot of things to choose from. We've got that crap going on with Russia and Georgia over there. We've got all the crap going on with America and Iraq, gas prices, America's election in November. I thought this was interesting. The Prime Minister of Iraq announced that Iraq and the United States have come to a final agreement as to an exact withdrawal date of American troops from the country. The deadline stated was by the end of 2011. What I found most interesting about the article was that even though the Iraqi Prime Minister is saying this, the American government is still denying that any sort of agreement has taken place. What does that even mean? This other article states that as of yesterday, Sunday, August 24th, 2008, at least 4,146 members of the U.S. military had died as a result of the conflict in Iraq. Based on some research that I did for my Exploring New York video on my own channel, it stated that all deaths combined as a result of the war could total over 1 million. That's a lot of people that didn't need to die. Think of all the billions and billions of dollars that have gone over there to blow up the bridges and rebuild the bridges, and how much could that have done back here if we never got involved over there and we spent that money over here instead? What great things could have been done. To pick this week's flavor packet of the week, I wrote every applicant's name down on a piece of paper and then I crumbled them all up, and I'm about to throw them all over my room, and then I'm gonna go pick one up, and then that'll be the flavor packet of the week. Are you ready? Here we go. Whee! I'm gonna pick the one that landed in my shoe. Oh, I like this guy. This week's flavor pack of the week is John's House of Fun. Yay, John. We'll see you on Friday when you join in on our current events conversation. Stefan, I will see you tomorrow.